What's going on, guys? Corey from Yota Expedition here. In this one, we're going to be doing a little bit of a lighting upgrade to our 3rd gen Tacoma. We're going to be getting rid of those chrome and ugly turn signals on the mirrors, and we're going to be replacing them with some smoked ones from Yota Expedition. These are also sequential. They're going to look way better than the ones that are currently on it. Taking a closer look at both of them, you can see the OEM one and how much chrome there is on it compared to our brand new Yota Expedition one here. The chrome lens is outdated and kind of tacky at this point, where the smoked one is going to look a lot cleaner. And as far as lighting goes from the front of the Tacoma, you can barely even see that the OEM one is working until you get to the side of the vehicle, where our Yota Expedition sequential one, you can clearly see is much brighter and you can see it from the front with no issues. If you want to grab a set of these for your Tacoma, head over to yotaexpedition.com, or you can click the link right down in the description. It'll take you right to our product page. And with that, let's go ahead and get into the install. All right, so the first thing we need to do is get this upper part of the mirror off, and it's really simple. Up here on this corner towards the outside of the mirror, you're going to just put pretty good pressure pushing outward, and the whole thing should come right off. Just like that. All right, so once we have the top portion of the mirror popped off, you're going to see 2 Phillips head screws. We're going to go ahead and take both of those out. Once you have those 2 Phillips head screws out, you can see that the turn signal itself is clipped into this black plastic piece that you just took the screws out of. Go ahead and depress the clip and pop it out of place. Once you have that clip out, you can go ahead and just pull this top section away from the mirror. You can grab the turn signal itself now, and you can pull it out from the mirror. All right, we got the OEM turn signal taken out of the mirror. Now we can go ahead and grab our brand new one from Yota Expedition. We'll plug it in and we'll slip it into the bottom section of the mirror. All right, we got the turn signal slipped into the bottom section of the mirror. We have it clipped back in. Everything is good to go. We can go ahead now and put those 2 Phillips head screws back in. All right, last step is just to clip back on the upper section of your mirror. So get it lined up, pull it towards you. Should clip right in place. All right, guys, that's going to wrap this one up. Go ahead and do the same exact steps to the driver's side to install that turn signal as well. And I'm sure in the process of messing with everything, you got your mirror out of whack. So make sure to adjust that to how you like it. Again, if you want to grab a set of these for your 3rd gen Tacoma, head over to yotaexpedition.com or click the link right down in the description. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button. We're posting new 4Runner and Tacoma content every single week. And with that, we hope you enjoy your brand new sequential turn signals, and thanks for watching.